Snack cravings ruining your day? Ditch the junk food. This protein smoothie keeps you full for 4+ hours. Woohoo!
20 g protein plus almond butter's fats equals cravings obliterated for hours. Science says protein suppresses hunger hormones effectively and keeps you full.
Blend, sip, and watch your cravings vanish for hours. While your energy soars. No 3 p.m. slump here, just pure vitality. Want 10 more recipes that keep you actually full for hours? Grab my free protein smoothie guide below. Your snack drawer is about to get lonely. Wink face emoji. Try this smoothie today. Hit subscribe and let's crush cravings together.